Hi everyone, welcome to TECHNOWDAYS.
Welcome to TECHNOWDAYS.
To TECHNOWDAYS.
Welcome to TECHNOWDAYS.
Welcome to TECHNOWDAYS.
Welcome to TECHNOWDAYS.
Welcome to TECHNOWDAYS.
Hi everyone, 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 welcome to TECHNOWDAYS.
Hey everyone, welcome to TECHNOWDAYS.
Hi everyone, welcome to TECHNOWDAYS.
Everyone, welcome to TECHNOWDAYS. Welcome to TECHNOWDAYS.
Welcome to TECHNOWDAYS.
Hey everyone, welcome to TECHNOWDAYS.
Hi everyone, welcome to TECHNOWDAYS. Today I am going to show you Anker Soundcore Live 2 Neo over-ear wireless Bluetooth headphone. This wireless Bluetooth headphone high-res audio sound up to 40 kHz, the richest listening experience. Moreover, 3x longer lasting. Live 2 Neo offers 60 hours playtime. Thanks to a low energy consumption, Bluetooth chipset with Anker world-renowned power management technology. Listen for 2 hours a day for an entire month. Charge for 5 minutes. Listen for 5 hours. Never worry about low battery, even when you are in a rush. Charge via the high-speed USB-C charging port for convenience and expanded compatibility. Foldable design folds down neatly for easy storage and transport. Reinforced hinges ensure complete durability and reliability. And you want 100% more bass, oversized 40mm titanium coated drivers work with our exclusively bass technology. A real-time bass engagement algorithm. This combination doubles the bass output. If you buy the Anker, the original one, you can check it on the top. Check the security code at anker.com/verify. 15 or 20 digit security code is there. You can check it, then you can verify also. Then we will check on opening what is inside there. Quick starter guide. You will get all the information, and Type-C cable, fast charging cable, and auxiliary cable. This is the first time I am seeing on this headset, this type of headset, auxiliary cable. And the Soundcore Live 2 Neo. See, this is foldable type. Wow. Good one, good material, good quality. And ear cups, there is written Soundcore. Nice one. Flexible ear cups. Memory foam. Soundcore Neo. Right and left side, it is written right left. Foldable type, adjustable headband, flexible ear cups. See, you can travel anywhere. Nice memory foam. And both cups and the top of this material is metal. All the material is quality one, quality and impressive. Good shining. Soundcore Anker. USB Type-C, auxiliary, power button, volume, increase and decrease button, and bass, extra bass. If you want bass, you can type, press it, then you will get more bass. And mic also there, you can attend the call, telephone call also via Bluetooth. This is affordable price and good material, long lasting, nice product. Thank you, Anker. Wow, flexible, foldable, good quality. This one is flexible ear cups. Press the power button, then it's finding Bluetooth. Open the Bluetooth on mobile. You will see Soundcore Neo 2, Live to Neo. Press it. Connect for music and calls. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye. See you soon.